Hey guys, today I'm going to be making some ravioli. Just going to do this on my own since Mama's at work and I need to feed the kids as well as Mama when she gets home. Going to be getting some Italian sausage ravioli, and the best part about it is I'm going to make my own pasta sauce. Got tomato sauces, got some tomato paste, basil leaf, onion, garlic, and oregano. And what I'm going to do is I'm first going to boil up the sausage raviolis in a pot, and once that's ready, I'm going to start making my sauce. And actually I'll make my sauce with it as well. And what I'll do is I'll walk through it, and hopefully it comes out pretty nice. See you in a bit when I'm ready. Okay, now I've got the water starting to boil here, so I'm waiting for that to come up. And while I'm waiting for that, I'm going to start making my sauce. Let's see. Alright, I think I'm going to use a little pot here. And I'm going to start adding my tomato sauce in. One's a small can of tomato sauce, the other one is homemade because I don't have enough of the store-bought tomato sauce, so I'm going to break into the homemade stuff as well. So it's going to be a little mix of both, and it'll be delicious, I believe. Because the store-made stuff it's okay, the store-made stuff, but we all know that homemade is better than store-made. Here's the secret spice. Yum yum. Just shake this up a little bit. Pop the top. And we're ready for the party. Pour that in there. See if I get the leaves out of there. There's one leaf. 2 leaves. 3 leaves. 4 leaves. 5. And I think that, oh, missed one. Yeah, I missed another one. I'll get those in a second here. We'll fish those out. Don't want those. They're basil leaves. It's just something you don't want to have, you know, because a good bite of that might wake you up a little bit. So, and that's it. All of it's in there. Okay. Okay. Now for the fun part. Let's thicken this bad boy up. Now I'm not going to add all 3 at the same time. I'm just going to add them one by one and see how they go. I just wanted to make sure I had enough in case I needed to add a little more, or didn't need to add a little more tomato paste. Let's see how we're going to add this in there. Get a spoon out. You know what? I'm going to use Sammy's little itty bitty spoon because that'll fit in there nicely. Look how thick that is. There we go. There we go. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with 2 of them in here, just to thicken it up a bit, and maybe I'll add number 3. So we'll see. Hopefully when this is done, when Mama gets home, maybe she'll try some of my cooking. Give me a true thought on how I did. You know, maybe I gotta refine my cooking process, or if I did alright. We'll see. I'll keep you posted. There we go. There we go. Put this in the sink. And start working this together. Let's see. Get paper towel cleaner before I turn it on. Don't want to make any messes here. There we go. Now we'll crank her on. Now put her on. And we'll put her on medium high. They're getting this kind of broken apart and thickening up. Yeah, I can see why you add tomato paste. That way it gets nice and thick. go. Now for the fun stuff. First I'm going to add some onion, granulated onion. I'm going to do this to taste. There we go. Mix that up a little bit before I add the next step. Yeah, look at that, it's starting to thicken up. I'll be darned. Next thing I'm going to do is add a little garlic. A little extra garlic. Gotta keep the vampires away. Let's see. Okay. A little bit of oregano. Alright, just added oregano. And then a little salt to flavor it. Just the taste. I mean, I don't want to put too much salt in there. And as you can see, it is thickening up. And while we're waiting anyway for the water to boil, we'll just taste a little bit. That's starting to come together. Maybe a little more onion to flavor it. Just a little bit more, just give it a little more love. Onion's good for you. It's one of my favorite vegetables, onion. A lot of people hate it. It's got a big bite to it, but in the right manner, it's a great little vegetable. One of my favorites. Let's see, get that all heated up, mixed around. Have one part taste. Oh yeah, that's what I was missing. All right, so I'm just gonna stir this. You know, you might have to fast forward, but let it keep cooking. Lower it down now. It's in a good position here. This is almost boiling. What I'll do is I'll hold, and when we come back, I'll have this boiling, so it'll be ready for you to see me put it in. It should take only about 4 minutes, and then we'll serve it and see what the kids think. All right, we're back, and now the water's boiling, and what I like to do is add the ravioli little by little, and not burn myself, as I learned in the past by dropping a whole bunch of it at one time. That could be painful, and as you see, I just got a little splash of hot water. That will happen, so take your time. Don't make a rush. Little by little, add them on there. Anything cool, and you can definitely get it done. And this about says 10 servings, but unfortunately half of it would not fit my family because we have more than 5, or less than 10, so leftovers will happen. Something to strain it with. Now to strain it. Ooh. Let that pot cool a little bit. That is completed. So now when I come back, I'll show you the completed process. And here is the end product, and all the kids will enjoy it. All it is homemade pasta sauce with some ravioli. Thanks, guys. Hope to hear. Please like and subscribe, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.